Hello. I'd like to take 5 minutes and talk to you about this flow calibration system. It is nothing like a turbo encabulator, which I suggest you Google. The turbo encabulator is not real, as this system is. In any case, my intent here is to sell this system. It's a surplus piece of equipment, but I wanted to do a little bit of documentation about it, just for nostalgic purposes before it goes away. Overall system is housed in an infant incubator to control the temperature of the devices under test, in this case a programmable pump, and a liquid flow meter, viscometric flow meter, which is patented by myself. Patent is 7,644,632. The devices are controlled by a PC running a Visual Basic program, which takes script files from Excel and then synchronizes a collection of data and writes the output data from the device under test to Excel. Underneath here are the real stars of the show, so to speak. When fluid is delivered from the pump through the device under test, or it can be delivered from the pump directly to the measuring apparatus, it first passes through a 6-port injection valve, high pressure injection valve, which allows by RS-232 from the computer to select a tubing of an appropriate internal diameter and length, such as to provide a back pressure coefficient for any given flow rate. The output of the flow restrictors are then collected by this manifold and then routed into this sample metering valve. The output of the sample metering valve it is also controlled by the PC, although indirectly through RS-232. It's actually TTL controlled by a little programmable logic controller here in the back, which you can't see. That's also by design. That liquid is gated onto this Mettler balance, which is a very accurate, precise, and repeatable device to accumulate the flow over a given period of time. Flow over time, of course, is the definition of flow rate. This device is, the resolution is 0.1 milligrams out of 100 gram capacity. 0.1 milligrams out of 100 gram capacity. So, to start collection here, we select the input file for the script. The flow collection program then selects the flow rates, various flow rates as you progress through the script on the pump, allows the flow rate to stabilize for a given period of time. After the flow rate is stabilized, it then gates the injector valve to gate fluid onto the into the collector cup here on the Mettler balance. So the PC takes a reading. The time scale is controlled by the PC, which is more than adequate for this application, even running under XP. And then after a given period of time, as defined by the Excel file, which automates the process, the mass is then read again. Delta mass over delta time equals flow rate, because the density of any given fluid at a given temperature is known. So I need to wrap this up. I would like to please have a request for follow-up about any given piece of equipment here, about the way the everything is connected and running, the software, resolutions, accuracy, specifications, anything of that nature. I would love to see the system go to somebody who would like to scale it up, perhaps replace this pump with a pump of their choosing for pump calibration. Perhaps replace this flow meter with a flow meter of their choosing for calibrating flow meters, or some other application. It's a fairly useful general fluidic handling platform. And source code is included, and certainly any assistance in getting things up and running. Thank you very much.